Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you step by step on how to block all adult websites on Google Chrome using a simple method. This process works on Windows operating systems 10, 8, 8, including Windows 11, 7. It can also be applied to Mac and Android devices using Google Chrome. Today, we will focus on the Windows operating system. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Look for the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser. Click on it and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Once you are in the Settings menu, locate and click on Privacy and Security in the left-hand sidebar. Within the Privacy and Security section, look for the option labeled Security and click on it. In the Security settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Use Secure DNS. This feature allows you to manage the DNS, which acts as a directory for websites. When you type a web address, the DNS translates it into the corresponding IP address so that your browser can connect to the correct server. By customizing this DNS setting, you can block adult websites. First, ensure that the Use Secure DNS toggle is turned on. Below this, you will see an option to choose a DNS provider. By default, your browser might use the DNS provided by your internet service provider. To block adult content, you will need to select DNS provider. Click on the OS Default option. Here, you will see several DNS providers listed, such as Cloudflare, Clean Browsing, Google, and OpenDNS. To block adult websites, you should choose either Clean Browsing or OpenDNS. Both of these options are designed to filter and block adult content effectively. For this tutorial, we will select Clean Browsing. Simply click on it to enable it as your DNS provider. If you prefer, you can choose OpenDNS instead, as both options work similarly. Once you have selected your preferred DNS provider, close the Settings menu. To confirm that the changes have been applied, restart Google Chrome. After restarting, you can check the DNS settings again by repeating the earlier steps. Open the three-dot menu, go to Settings, select Privacy and Security, then click on Security and scroll down to verify that the DNS provider is set to Clean Browsing or OpenDNS. With these settings in place, adult websites will now be blocked in Google Chrome on your Windows operating system. This method is effective and straightforward, providing an added layer of security and peace of mind when browsing the internet. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.